Okay, we're back, and we had to do not a modification, but we had to like backtrack. We had to backtrack on the bolts for the top. um, it really doesn't say in the instructions. It really should tell you to hold off on the top holes, and it just says to bolt them all in, all of them. It kind of did the same thing with the what was it? There was something else that for the sides, and I think I explained it earlier. When you're doing the legs, don't bolt the pan to the legs just yet. Make sure you put the side panel and go through. There's two of them here that you're going to need to go through all three: the side panel, the pan, and the legs. The same thing is going to be when you do the top half. Make sure you hold off on these three holes on top, and the reason is because the back of the hood has four holes, one, two in the center, and one on the other on the bottom here, and those line up with the holes on the top here. So that's what we had to do. We had to backtrack on the top holes, take out the bolts, washers, and the acorn nuts. So when you put I'm going to show you guys. So when you put the hood on, you want to put the bracket on the outside. So we're going to put it on the outside. Let's see if I can show it to y'all here. So we'll lift this up, put the bracket out a little bit, and just like that. And so we'll line up the holes that way, and then bolt them in. Okay, so let's line up all of these, and you can get a screwdriver. Line it up like that. And put an acorn nut. All right. Give it another one. I didn't need that piece of wood. I was just using that to, you probably didn't see it down here, but I was just using it to hold so the top wouldn't fall back. But I don't need that anymore. And let's see if I can grab onto it. All right. Now, okay. So now we have it. We have the plastic, the hood, and then the ballast bracket or the light bracket, and then we're going to go ahead and we're not going to tighten these down yet. We're going to wait till all the other ones get lined up, and we're going to do that right now. Okay, that's pretty much it with the hood. We have 3 on either side, and then we're going to use the existing 4 bolts that are supposed to go here. So remember, do not put the 4 bolts across the top until you get the hood on. So remember that. We're going to go ahead and tighten all the bolts, and then we'll go on to the next step. So we'll be right back.